Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about Tenable. This company create one new function or new software named Nessus. Nessus can create a report from some vulnerability scanner. That's why here in my Kali Linux I create a report. I copy here all report from our function from our system. Okay, this is all report of our output from Nikto. Okay, I create this folder in this file and I safeguard it in this name nikto.txt. Now I will launch this command to create a Python code which allows you to analyze an analysis report made by a Nikto script on a server, and I need to add a code which allows to write the result in the file named result.txt. Let's try this command. Now I will place just my code here and then press enter. Now I have this code. I will copy this selection. Now I will create a new file, an empty file. Name it, for example, Python. Okay. And I need just to insert here my code, this Python code. I will copy this selection and paste it here. Okay, safeguard. Now I can try to execute this file, this one. Okay, to do it I need to call to my function Python. Okay, and here I just write the name of my file. Okay, now I execute the code. I should have this this new file result. Okay, and inside the result we'll have, for example, here I have just one information that it have found just one vulnerability. I can, for example, add it to ChatGPT to create one new command in my script here to show this vulnerability. It's very important. That's why I can recreate one new code, for example, here, and okay, and before the end here and add it. Okay, and here we can add this sentence to specify, to write all details for this vulnerability. Or I can just place my my sentence in the end to write the result. Here, for example, I can add it, for example, here with all the details of the detected vulnerability in this file. Okay, let's try this script. I think it will improve my result. Okay, we now will just to replace our code with this one. Okay, I copy my code, and now in this code Python I need to replace this code with a new one. Okay, I safeguard my file and now I execute this file. Okay, let's try to see the result. Reload. Okay, and now in this file I have the details for the result for this report. Okay, now I can use my new function, okay, from this company Tenable. If this is the Nessus function, this function can just use another function to analyze the code. Let's try, for example, here I need, for example, here just to place my command, and ChatGPT will create for me this script. I can do the same thing. I will just to copy this code, and if you want, you have here Nessus API that can test this code in one server. Okay, it's a test server that I can check all vulnerability for this code. After this, I can write the result in new folder and check if I can compare between the two reports to check where is the report, better report with more vulnerability and more details.